Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Good morning, Vietnam. Howdy. And remember, I'm the Ric Flair of crypto, and we're going to be talking about all the tips and tricks of Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency. And we're going to be talking specifically about 3 reasons why Bitcoin is down right now, why Doge is kind of down right now, and what can we expect. Big bullish signal is flashing soon for Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and we could be going parabolic soon, guys. So let's talk about it. Let's jump into it without any further delay, guys. Don't forget to go and smash the likes, show some love for the OG, and it's a great time to be alive. And remember one freaking thing: none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house. Expect my opinion, guys. So let's jump into it. Go back and watch all my other videos, and do become a member. Do become a freaking member and get access to private WhatsApp group. I appreciate it. And so what's going on? We did see that the markets yesterday were kind of mixed. We did see the Dow Jones and S&P was up slightly, and the Nasdaq was down out there. So some of the interesting things, it looks like Fed expressed caution about lowering rates too quickly, at least the meeting minutes show. So the Fed is kind of like, yeah, we need to be more cautious. We're not kind of out of inflation yet. So that's going to put the kibosh on the broader markets. Probably see that when the markets open today, we're probably going to be seeing things go down. That also did not help crypto as well. One of the reasons why Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and most crypto market was down. They down. Looks like NVIDIA posts revenue up 265% on booming AI business. So that's kind of interesting, guys. So AI is the big boom town. But, overall still, we are up 21.41% for Bitcoin. Ethereum is still up, so not too shabby. Overall, right now, the crypto markets are looking like poo-poosh Manaville. We're seeing Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, everything is like down. It sucks right now. I'm going to be talking to you about the 1, 2, 3 reasons why this is happening, what to expect, what you should do, and well, let's jump at it. Right now, we did see that the fear and greed is down, exactly as I predicted. If you go back and watch my other videos, normally this is usually a lagging indicator about 24 hours. So yeah, this is related to yesterday's dump. Tomorrow, this will probably be down again. Probably we'll see it down around 72 or 70. So let's see, guys. So yeah, the sentiment is kind of negative right now for most cryptocurrencies. Get out of there. Pop-ups. Hey, pop-ups. Out there. There's nothing more embarrassing than being at work, having your TV plugged having your computer plugged into a TV, during a conference with your staff, and something pops up, something nefarious pops up. You know that does happen. So watch out for pop-ups, guys. Pop-up. So we're seeing the total market cap is down right now, 1.33%. We're still below the holy grail of 2 trillion out there. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down 111. Don't forget to smash, if you love Dogecoin, 111. The market cap is over 1 trillion, so that's not too shabby. We're seeing that the total 51.6% is the dollar. So 51.6% of all the market cap is held by, you guessed it, Bitcoin. So that's why it's at 1 trillion. We're seeing Ethereum is also down as well. The day before yesterday was over 3,000. It's coming down, it's down almost 2%, but we're up 5% on the week. BNB, something crazy is going on with BNB. It's up 8%. Now, I divested in BNB because of all of the the lawsuits against CZ and all that. So I kind of divested out of BNB. Out there, a little bit I regret it, but I did divest. Solana's having a hard time too. I think today, I'll be totally honest, transparent. I think I'm going to buy some more Solana. I think this is a good time to be buying. Solana's down 11% over the week. It's down 4%. So I think I will pick up some Solana today when I get to office, and that is going to happen. We're going to see XRP is down as well. XRP, I like it. Cardano, I got a big buy on Cardano. It's also down as well. Avalanche, Tron. Unfortunately, the bad news is Dogecoin has slipped to the 11th spot, guys. So that's kind of like, what's going on? Put some bill out there, guys. So any other breaking news that's coming in? BlackRock increases the amount of Bitcoin on its balance sheet to 122,000. That not too shabby. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse discusses crypto regulations, legal battles with SEC, and Ripple's latest moves on Bloomberg TV. So I still think that Ripple's going to win. Ripple's going to win. It looks like also Hong Kong plans to introduce regulatory bills for stablecoins on OTC crypto trading and combat rising crypto crime. Yeah, so, they come out, Hong Kong comes out and says, yeah, we're going to be the Asian hub for crypto friendly. And then once they declare we're crypto friendly, then now they start slamming on regulations. It's like, they want it to come in. Most countries, they want the innovation, they want the liquidity, they want the taxes, but they still need to have oversight. I mean, just, yeah, you know what I mean? MetaMask nears 31.7 million users, fueling anticipation for crypto market surge with 55% user increase. So MetaMask is definitely increasing. So that's pretty good, guys. Pretty good out there. What's going on with Bitcoin right now? So Bitcoin on the weekly, as you guys can see, Bitcoin on the weekly has been going uppity up. Now, keep in mind, this is a 52,400 level. Now, this is a key level that we need to get past. And remember, every time we get to this level, we get a lot of resistance. We had it here. We had a lot of resistance here. We had almost like 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, a big dumpski, and then we had this parabolic move, right? And that was the signal, the top for the last cycle. So we've been butting our head against that. Once we clear the 52,400 level, then we will see, then we're going to start to see that our next resistance will be all-time high. So, from my perspective, I still think that we can break out. We will break out. So Bitcoin is looking good. Guys, did you know that Bitcoin is up 37% in 21 days? Now, remember, we're seeing some consolidation. This is normal, guys. This is normal. So that's why I'm advocating buy the dips while you freaking can. Remember, it's up 37% 21 days. So, these are weekly candles, and we have seen a considerable climb. So it's normal to have a pullback out there. Guys, did you guys know that just in China still has 15% global share of Bitcoin? Still, we're going to talk about 3 reasons why Bitcoin and Dogecoin is down. Keep on keeping on. Don't forget to watch this to the end. Remember, Bitcoin mining hash rate, despite official ban on Bitcoin, China is still number 2, 40% US, 15% China, Russia 12, 5% Canada, Kazakhstan 3.5, UAE, Malaysia, and Malaysia. Oh, I didn't know that. That's Guys, while Bitcoin crashed below 16,000, the skeptics, remember when Bitcoin was below 16,000? Remember those days? Like right here when Bitcoin hit a low as 15,677. That was our bottom, guys. That was our freaking bottom right here. That was our bottom. Guys, remember that? And all of the skeptics came out of the woodwork and said, see, Bitcoin is dead. But guys, look, Bitcoin is now above 51,000 and valued at more than $1 trillion. Look at the chart. This is not a bubble. This is an adoption curve, and Bitcoin is going to go higher and higher and higher, guys. So one of the reasons why we're seeing Bitcoin having a bit of a sell-off is because Genesis gets court approval to sell 1.6 billion in crypto trust shares. So there is some speculation that Genesis has been selling. We know that GBTC has been selling. Remember, yesterday we had like 1 billion dumpski of Coinbase. So there was some selling there. Also, it's also interesting to know that there's approximately 1 billion in liquidations positioned above the 52,400 level. Okay, and a lot of these are shorts. Okay, a lot of these are short. Quick take. Recent data identified by HODL 15 Capital shows a shortening trend in Bitcoin market with leverage position potentially leading to approximately 1 billion of liquidations between the 52,000 and 53,000 mark. As Bitcoin stabilized around 52,000, the Binance BTC USD pair using a CoinGlass liquidation heat map revealed substantial leverage above this level. Over the past week, Bitcoin maintained a price above 50,000, exhibiting some volatility. A surge of liquidations occurred between the 12th and 14th. We all know that. We lived through that. Correlating with Bitcoin's ascent to 50,000 threshold. The observation suggests that leveraged shorts are vulnerable to liquidation during market upticks, guys. So, further, CryptoState analysis last week pointed to the emergent buildup of derivatives in Bitcoin. The incremental buildup of open interest could potentially exacerbate Bitcoin's volatility near future. So, with all of these leverage positions, as we get over the 52,400 hurdle, there's going to be a lot of volatility because a lot of shorts are going to get freaking wrecked, guys. A lot of shorts are going to get freaking wrecked, guys. So expect some volatility, except in choppity chop. Now, I thought this was interesting. There's some kind of like conspiracy video going around right now. Believe it or not, they said that this guy, I don't want to say it because the AA is going to cramp down on my channel, made Bitcoin to beat America. Watch this funny new conspiracy. So go to my Twitter, watch it, guys. It's hilarious. It's absolutely hilarious out there. So final update. We're still seeing that even despite Bitcoin being down, despite that there's a lot of leverage at around 52,400, we are still seeing that there's a huge uptick in Bitcoin spot ETFs. We're seeing almost 109,000 spot ETFs. And remember, GBTC's Grayscale sold 168. So if we take out what GBTC sold, in fact, there's been an uptick of about 178,000 Bitcoin. So that's pretty awesome, guys. Pretty freaking awesome. So, guys, this is more indication. This is very bullish, guys. There's going to be a supply shock out there, guys. Supply freaking shock out there. So, yeah, it's interesting, guys. Let's talk about the three freaking reasons why Bitcoin is down right now. Let me just get to it. Let me get to it. Okay. So these are the three freaking reasons why Bitcoin is down. And of course, if Bitcoin is down, we're going to see that Dogecoin is down. Bitcoin just needs to take a breather after 21 days of going up 37%. So I did tell you that Bitcoin has gone up 37% in 21 days. So basically, it just needed to take a freaking breather. And this is pretty normal. Genesis gets court approval to sell 1 billion in crypto trust shares, and GBTC has been selling again. Okay, so here we go. They got approval. There was a Dumpsky 1 billion yesterday from GBTC, another 1.6 billion potentially from Genesis. So that's putting some downward pressure on Bitty, guys. So that's another reason. And then the third reason is stock market is too hot. We just had the FOMC meeting and said that rate cuts are not likely anytime soon. So those are some of the main reasons why Bitcoin is down, some of the main reasons why Dogecoin is down. But Bitcoin is entering the second phase of the bull run. For BTC to enter the second phase of the bull run, two conditions need to be met. One, the Williams aggregator needs to flip bullish, and we did that. Check, guys. Check right here. Okay, we did flip bullish, and Bitcoin closes on a weekly candle above the 6218 Fibonacci retracement level. And we did that. We did close above that on the weekly. So, guys, the second phase of the bull run is here, and we're getting closer and closer to the halving. Guys, also too, ETFs, 4.319%. Now, yesterday it was 4.28. It's gone up a little bit, so that is cool beans. And guys, inverse head and shoulders coming. This is a very bullish parabolic move is incoming, freaking incoming, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. And right now we're seeing that, where is it? So Bitcoin halving clock right now is 55 days. Let me refresh that, guys. Bitcoin halving clock, 0 days. Oh my God, we're here. 55 days, 11 hours, 29 minutes, 19 seconds, and milliseconds. So we're getting closer and closer. Ethereum is just doing its thing right now as well. So Ethereum, it's doing its thing. It got rejected at 3,000. It's coming down, but we're going to retest that. Absolutely retest that. So what's going on with the Doge Wozher right now? So Doge Wozhers kind of have this V-shaped pattern here. It's come all the way down. It's been trending down since the 11th of December 2023. One whole year in this downward trough. It is now moving on up. We did hit a lows at the base of the trough on the 5th of February, and that was culminated at 0.72 out there. We've been making a considerable move up. We did have the Ferrari announcement. We got rejected, pump and dump there. And now we have fallen below this upper trending line. So this is a little negative out there, but I still believe that a big bullish signal is happening, guys. So Dogecoin is about to make a V-shaped recovery. Dogecoin is down because Bitcoin is down. Do not freaking panic, guys. Do not panic, guys. What are we seeing in terms of the chart and markets right now for Dogecoin? It's at 0.8419. It's now in the 11th spot. OMG out there. So for market cap. And in terms of volume, we're still at number 23, guys. So we're still ranked by volume out of 8,844 cryptocurrencies, still number 23. So that is not too shabby out there, guys. So yeah, not too shabby. Right now for Dogecoin analytics, we're seeing that Dogecoin addresses by holdings. We're seeing that the majority are really small amount of holding between 0 and 1K. So we're seeing the majority of that in that level. And then For the 1K to 100,000, only 3.36%. So we're seeing a lot of retail. Doge is being held mainly by retail investors, guys. Whales are holding about 44.23% of all the Dogecoin out there. And addresses held over time, we're seeing that a lot of the addresses are long-term holders, guys, and very small amount of short-term holders, guys, for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin bullish signal, Doge transaction count hold 1 million threshold through February. So this is good. Dogecoin might be very far from its highs, and currently activity around the meme coin is far below what it once was, but that doesn't mean that Dogecoin is dead. Okay. In fact, recent metrics show that the meme coin ecosystem is still capable when it comes to transaction activities. Doge transaction volume has held steady above 1 million frequent transactions every day. So Dogecoin is far from dead, okay? Dogecoin transaction volume is staying strong. So you can see here, Dogecoin has processed more than 1 million transactions every day since the 30th of January. So this is freaking bullish, guys. To put this in context, the Bitcoin network has averaging around about 320 to 400 daily transactions since the beginning of the month, despite increased accumulation leading to BTC breaking above 52,000 for the first time since 2022. While the hype around Dogecoin has cooled in recent months, yes, Elon Musk has been quiet, nothing really is happening, and the shadow of what can be, real users continue to send and receive the coin. So remember, there's a core amount of community users who are still using it. There's still a lot of retail merchants that use it. So it's still a lot of activity. Keeping the blockchain network up and running, notably into the block, data shows daily transaction count hit a high on February 2nd when transactions soaring 1.8 million. What does this mean for Doge and current price? Well, a strong, stable transaction volume is a sign of network health. So it's still health, activity, and potential bullish price action. Since mainstream adoption is key to the success of any crypto asset, the high transaction numbers also point to growing utility and adoption of Doge. Remember, one of Doge's biggest utilities out there is a medium of transaction, right? The fees are cheap and it's lightning fast. The heightened activity, along with other market factors like inflow into the crypto market, seems to have reflected in the Dogecoin price. While crypto reaching the 0.91 mark on February 20th, however, the price action in the past 24 hours has shown a decline, right? Reaching 0.9 level. Similar trading volume data from CoinMarket is currently indicating a 19.56% decline in the same time frame. So right now we're seeing that Doge is trading right now, guys, around about, where's Doge? My Doge. Doge is trading around about 0.834. So we're still above the 0.81 House of Pain level. So that is good news out there. So overall, for this to, overall, I'm still pretty positive, guys. For this to come to reality, Doge has to maintain a real world utility among investors. Dogecoin Foundation announced ambitious roadmap in a blog post, which promises increased utility and adoption ecosystem. So we still need Elon Musk payments, guys. We still need the payments. We still absolutely need the payments. X payments will probably utilize Doge for fast, cheap transaction. I think it's going to happen, guys. X payments are coming, guys. And I believe this is going to be one of the key catalysts for Dogecoin to help build utility. But the network is still strong. Guys, go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. Now, right now, we got 10,969, getting pretty close to 11,000 mark. I appreciate it. Guys, be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Be blessed, be humble. Peace out.